Hello everyone! In this video we are going to take a look at the ENTR4ALL e-learning platform. This video will be used as guidelines for adult learners and adult educators on how to use the platform. Let's begin first. First visit the ENTR4ALL e-learning platform at www.academy.entrfor all.eu. This is how the homepage of the platform looks like. Then you should create an account by clicking New Account. Then you should complete all the required fields with your username, password, email, name, surname, and then click on Create My New Account. As you can see, a verification email will be sent to your email address. Don't forget always to look on the spam folder of your emails too. Then you should go to your email and verify your account. Then once you click on the verification link, you will be directed to the platform and then just click the Continue button. As you can see now, the users have their own profile. That means that they can edit their profile settings. On the top right hand side, you can click on the icon and select Profile, and then Edit Profile. You can edit your details, user picture, additional names or interests. At the end, just click on the Update Profile. Again, on the top right hand side, you can select the grades. And once you enroll into the courses of the e-learning platform, you will be able to see your grades for each course. Again, on the top right hand side, you can select Preferences. And here you can change your password, language, notifications, and so on. So now it's the time to see our courses. On the left-hand side, click on the site Home. And as you can see, we have all the courses in English, Greek, Slovenian, and German languages. For the purpose of this video, we will use only the English courses. For the purpose of the ENTR4ALL project, regarding the educational material, the consortium developed 5 basic modules and 7 optional modules. Click on the English category and then click Modules and select any module that you want to enroll yourself into. Then click Enroll Me. On this page, you can see how the courses look like. On the top of the page, you can see the general description of the module and the topics included in the module. Then, on the announcements, teachers or adult educators can make an announcement for their students. Here you can see the teaching material on ebook and PDF format. The teaching material includes all the information you should learn about. As you can see, for the whole module, the consortium developed activities for the adult educators on how to implement the module in the classroom. Lastly, is the assessment for each module. The assessments are linked with the open badges. The open badges are used as a validation method in the ENTR4ALL project, and all users can earn the badges. You just need to click on the assessment quiz and then select Attempt Quiz Now. As you can see, there are approximately 10 questions per module, and you should go through all the questions to finish the quiz. Then you just need to click Submit All and finish. Through the results page, you can see the feedback of each question. Based on your correct answers, you can earn a specific badge created by the consortium. For each module, we developed 3 levels: bronze, silver, and gold. Once the user earns the 4 gold badges from all the modules, they earn the overall badge. On the left-hand side, you can click on the Badges button, and there you can see all the available badges. On the Grade button, you can see your grades. Thank you. For more information, you can visit our website at www.ENTR4ALL.eu.